Hey guys, what is up? And today I'll be showing you how to make a TIE fighter from Star Wars. So first you want to cut the wing shapes out of cardboard. So I drew a box and then I kind of connected these sides up at an angle and cut it out. Next I cut some strips to go along the outside and diagonally across the wing. So I got some things and then rolled them up, and that created the little circles, and then I glued some on the bands. So you do that per both sides, so this side, so you have to do 4 sides in total. To create the kind of TIE fighter cockpit, I used these kind of oval shaped pieces of cardboard, and you glue them all together into a circle, and then they create this kind of ball. Once you've got that, you just make the back of it. So for that, I put a bit of cardboard in there, and then I put some detail around it, and that's created the kind of thruster. So then you just got to add the final pieces. I also glued the magnet underneath there to clip it to the stand, which is up on my shelf. Yeah, so the detail goes on these kind of tubes that connect the cockpit to the wings, and yeah. For the front of the ship, I used a kind of circle, and I got a template offline, which I'd link in the description, and then you just got to cut it out and glue it to the front. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.